Hello everybody, welcome back. Now I'm going to discuss about filter. A filter is an object that is involved with the pre-processing and post-processing of a request. That is, filter is used before the request and before processing the request and after processing the request. It is mainly used to perform filtering tasks such as conversion, logging, compression, encryption and decryption, input validation, etc. The servlet filter is pluggable, that is, its entry is defined in the web.xml file, and if we remove the entry of the filter from the web.xml file, the filter will be removed automatically and we don't need to change the servlet. So maintenance cost will be less. In usage of filter, where do we use the filter? For recording all the incoming requests, for logs, the IP addresses of the computers from which the requests originate, for conversions, for data compressions, encryption and decryption, for validations, etc. And advantage of filter is pluggable, and one filter don't have dependency onto the another resource and less maintenance. And filter API like servlet filter have its own API. Java X.Servlet package contains the three interfaces of filter API. One is the filter interface, filter chain interface, and filter config interface. Filter interface. For creating any filter, you must implement the filter interface. Filter interface provides the lifecycle methods for a filter. Filter chain interface. The object of filter chain is responsible to invoke the next filter or resource in the chain. And this object is passed in the doFilter method of filter interface. So I'll show you the example for this filter. First, create a dynamic web project called filter, and inside the source folder, create a package, and you have one filter. I had created one filter and one servlet. And filter and servlet have the same URL pattern. URL patterns are same for a filter and a servlet. And inside web content, I'm having web.index.html, and inside webin folder, I'm having web.xml. So inside web.xml, the servlet I have taken is servlet1, and the URL pattern for servlet1 is filter1, and I have taken one filter called filter1. URL pattern is also filter1, that is URL pattern for servlet and the filter is same. And inside welcome file list, I have taken the index.html. So you go to this application index.html, right click on the application and just say run on server. Select the Tomcat server and select the appropriate project, the filter, and say finish. So it is asking to click here. There is a link here. So if you click on the link, it says filter is invoked before, then welcome to servlet, then filter is invoked after. So this is about the filter. Hope you understood this. So I'll continue in the next class.